Hi, welcome back to Chasing Profits video YouTube channel. I'll eventually get that wording right. Now, I know a lot of you are probably wondering right now why I'm wearing all these dark glasses. Well, let me explain. These are actually prescription glasses. And believe it or not, 15 minutes ago, I actually had the clear lens ones, and I took them off my head and don't know where I put them. However, let me tell you another little secret about these right here. They cut the Blu-ray. Blu-rays are the rays that come from your, I'm sure a lot of you know this, but they come from your computer screen, your smartphone, flat screen TV, and it's the rays that hurt your eyes. That's what tires your eyes out. It can do a lot, as I'm sure many of you already know without me telling you or getting into detail. But that's not what this video is about. This is a short little brief video today. I've been working on these templates that are 100% mobile responsive, and I've been generally working with Microsoft Word and Google Docs, and I have perfected the format using Google Docs. Now, I'm not ready to do that. No, it's going to be a minute before we do the screencast of the tutorial how-to, but because I'll run through it 10 times before I do the actual one to make sure I got it right. But I did want you to know that I have perfected it. It's a basic template, but you can change the color of the table lines. The only thing about the Google Docs, it is limited. Okay, it will give you a generalized basic template that you can change the table coloring, the shadings of the table lines, the thickness even. You can go from thin to, I think, 6 points or 6 pixels, whatever. And you can add in as many tables as you like, pretty much. Here's the thing, though. I noticed I really want to get it perfected with Microsoft Word, because Microsoft Word had table outlines that were a little bit more decorative. I'm not going to say super fancy or overly fancy, because we're doing descriptions for eBay. We're not trying to, it's not about the world's prettiest template. But I can assure you this, even with the Google Docs, it is a nice, clean, presentable template that you can change over and over. That means right down to, let's say you use 3 tables. You can, and you put in, like, I use 2 photographs, generally 2 in the top where I put my heading. You can change that in and out. You can change those colors in and out, and I will demonstrate that in the screencast video. But just for now, I just wanted to let you know that I have actually perfected that. And currently, I've got it in use. I've even got it centered. Trudeau water bottles. You can go to my site right now, or my store, and look up the blue aqua or aqua blue and the pink red, and you can see that template there. It's on sale right now. It's at 15% off even. So right now would be a good time to grab that one. It's a summer item. Well, actually, really, that's kind of an anytime item, because that's a really cool bottle. I mean, in all honesty, it's a really, really, truthfully cool bottle. I really like them. And it has that neat little seal around the straw, and when you put the top back on, to help prevent leakage and stuff. It's just really, really, really neat. Anyway, if you'll go have a look at those items, I would show you the template. In the next video, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I don't have 2 computers right now. Normally I do, okay, but I do not at the moment, because I'm spending, my money right now is going right back to inventory, and I'm trying to work my way up to building my electronics up. because that's our main thing. We do Disney, so a little bit of Disney, toys, collectibles, Star Wars, Marvel, Avengers, and then just vintage retro stuff that I just happen to love. Baseball caps like the one on my head, for example. I just collect these. Some are for sale, some are not. But I'm always going to have those vintage and retro items. Actually, that is something I get a kick out of finding, because I've actually found a few little gems, and they'll be coming out around Christmas, because the ones I have found so far are more that time of year type thing. But I'm real curious to just see. I don't do a lot of auctions, but I might actually try it. I've done one. That's how I got this computer here. When I started my business, I tried to do it with my cell phone and found out fast that wasn't going to work. And I had a computer, and it had a crack in the screen. So what I did was I took the pictures, and I took a picture of it on, showing that it actually did work. And actually, if I knew how to take the screen off and put on a new one, I'd have been in business, because it has 8 gigabytes of RAM, where this one has only 4. And anybody that knows Windows 10 knows that 4 running on 10 is pushing it. So I'm definitely in the market for another computer as well. This will become a backup, but at this point in time, I'm unable to show you from screen to screen. However, I will start doing the practice screen, the screencast, using Screencast-O-Matic. Again, no affiliate link, so there's not one down below, but Screencast-O-Matic.com. Okay, I think it's $18 a year right now. They're going to want you to get the video editor add-in, and they're going to even offer you a trial, and it's up to you. You know your videos, again, better than I do, always. Okay, that's it for now, and thank you for listening, and please come back. Please give us a thumbs up. I know this wasn't the best video, but I did want to get the word out to you that I had finally created that mobile responsive Google Docs. Clean, nice, not overly beautiful, but it's nice and clean, and it's attractive, yes. Template that can be changed and used over and over again. And my next move is to demonstrate a tutorial how to. Look for that. Thank you. Bye-bye.